Alright guys, sad day. We're kind of worried that the 180's blown. We did a boost leak test and all the air pressure came out the dipstick, which could be bad, but our dicks are crossed, nuts are tangled. We're gonna do some tests. We got the compression tester and we got this unit. I don't know if we're gonna be able to figure this one out. The cylinder leak detector. So leak down test. This is scary, man. I'm not gonna lie, I'm slightly worried. But yeah, let's crack on with it. Start with the compression test. Everyone at home, tangle your nuts, cross your dicks, cross your clits, whatever you have, and you can cross it. This might be dick. Dude, I have no hair in my hole. Alright, gonna start by pulling the coil packs out. We have tested the coil packs already, and they all seem to be fine, except there's some cracking on them. So I went ahead and ordered some new coil packs. They should be here in 2 weeks, so that should make a difference in how this bitch runs. Keeping the hardwares aligned. Look at that, man. Here, can you come try to get a close-up of it? I don't know if you can see, but here on the coil packs, they're kind of like messed up a little. Oh wait, Ben just said something. Oh, Ben just got pulled over.
For what, speeding?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it's only 110 and a 90.
Oh, it's not terrible.
It's not terrible. Depends the cop schmood, man. We've done far worse. Coil packs are out. Let's get these spark plugs out. Oh, I'm gonna sneeze.
Some blowback on that one.
Jesus, man. Shit's got kickback. Alright. Let's bust these nuts. Alright, spark plugs are out. Putting the old compression tester down there. This one needs some Viagra's, man.
I got shit so bad. Fuck.
Pressure tester's in the first cylinder. Now we're gonna pull the fuel pump fuse and the ignition coil. So this is for the ignition coil. Fuel pump is that 15 amp. And the polar man.
Thought it'd be funny if I pulled it out, but shit fucking hurt my finger so bad.
That actually sucks. Alright. I'll grab the key and then we're ready to test cylinder number 1.
Jimmy Riggins man.
Okay, I think that's like 145.
Same as last time.
Because that's what it's like hitting at the top. Yeah, okay, let me just get to the second one. 145, cylinder number 1. Okay. That's like the same 145 on cylinder number 2. Yeah. 150 on cylinder number 3. 150 on cylinder number 4.
Really the same shit, nothing really changed.
Yeah. We have between 145 psi and 150 psi on every cylinder. Not terrible numbers, not great numbers. They're pretty close. I think you want them within 15% of each other. So 5 psi range is definitely within that. So that's good news, but something's definitely dicked. So we're gonna do a leak down to see if there's a problem somewhere, because this is way more conclusive than compression test. But yeah. Oh, also, one major problem we had was the car was running really bad, and this line to the PCV valve had a spark plug stuck in it, like someone plugged it for some reason. The car was running so bad, and then immediately when we pulled that out, it was running so much better. So that was one thing. I don't know why you'd ever do that. It's a terrible idea. Don't plug, because this normally vents to the factory air box. So
Someone's fucking with this shit, man.
yeah. Whoever had
Dude,
this
I think
car,
that was the first F-bomb we've dropped in this whole entire video. What's going on?
yeah, what the fuck? Okay, so whoever had this car before was an absolute gump. Whatever fucking idiot fucking had this fucking car fucking before.
Fuck, man, that's really fucking good, man. Getting
Fucking was
fucking back on track, eh? Fuck, buddy.
Fuck, buddy.
Fuck,
Alright.
eh?
Fuck.
Right,
Was a
fuck.
fucking idiot.
Fuck, man.
Plug in this, you just literally jammed a spark plug in, just put a hose clamp on it and tighten it down.
Just a fucking fuck, hey, man.
Yeah, fuck. So
Alright, that's
also
that's
fucking,
enough for the rest
the
of the
fucking
video.
blow off fucking valve wasn't hooked up.
Shit was just boosting to the moon, man.
Yeah, just hitting max fucking 7,000 psi. But yeah, so let's do this fucking, let's get this fucking leak down fucking test bread, and then we'll
Holy
see
shit.
we'll see what the fuck that says. Yeah, we've
Right.
never done one of these, so it's probably fucking gonna be fucked. We'll see though. Alright, so we can't do the leak down test. We did the compression test. The numbers are decent. We can't do the leak down test tonight because we can't turn on the air compressor because someone's sleeping right above the garage. That'd be so loud. So yeah, we're gonna just throw the spark plugs back in, put the coil packs back on, and then we're probably gonna go give an update on the parts business because so many people have been asking about it. Yeah.
Dude, you never know. Once you get your new coil packs, man, this thing might run like perfectly.
Yeah, that's what well, there's definitely some fat boost leaks, so we need to do a proper boost leak test. I need to get some soapy water.
When's this thing getting inspected, do you know?
He said whenever you're ready to do it.
So after coil packs, probably.
Yeah.
And you should just like power wash the engine bay to get rid of all the oil on the power steering pump.
No, literally, I'm just gonna hose like from here down with that. What's that spray that just like strips all the grease?
More like brake cleaner.
No, it's like pretty much, but it's like a special spray, and then I'm just gonna power wash from there down,
Yeah, no doubt, eh?
and then we'll
Then just don't run it until the inspector comes and it'll be chill.
yeah, literally. Also need to get, Nathan was lending me those wheels with good tires.
Mm.
The only thing I'm worried about is this, no. Like I'm missing this. I also need to get 2 light bulbs.
What are you missing?
This signal light and a brake light is
Corner
out.
markers?
Yeah, I'm missing the corner marker on this side.
You have
But
a brake light out?
I have them ordered, so I hope I can just show him that I have them ordered, and he'll, like, that'll be good enough. Because there's no point in me not putting them on. Like, yeah. So I have a signal light out and a brake light out. So we have to replace those for the inspection. And then otherwise, oh, I need to make sure the windshield wiper works. There's no fluid in the reservoir, but that needs the spray needs to work past the inspection.
Here, just one sec.
Yeah, it should work. Okay. Well, the motor's coming on, so it should work. When I was taking a pee over there, I swear I heard something in the forest. Really? Is it filming right now?
Dude, this is on max. This is on 250,000 ISO.
Oh. The D21 everyone's asking about. Can you see it? Kinda?
Yeah, you can see it.
Okay, yeah. If you guys want a video on that, comment down below. We can do a video walk around and a drive of it. So let us know if you want to see that. A lot of people have been commenting about it. It's pretty sick. Alright, so our whole business here. This is just some of the wheels. We moved a bunch upstairs too. So this whole business, we're sorting everything out right now. We're setting up banking. We're working on the store. But yeah, so soon there'll be updates through Instagram. No point in DMing us asking when it's gonna happen, because we'll let you know. But yeah, soon all the shit will be for sale. Worldwide shipping will be available, of course. We'll have competitive pricing with everyone else who's selling stuff. But yeah, look at all these wheels, man. Full set of Mark 3s, Mark 2s, Watts, Mark 2s, Hayashi Streets, some Advan E3As, more Watts, ton of mesh, ton of Mark 1s, Equipo 1s, Longchamps, Dunlop Le Mans. Up here we got Hoshino Impulse, some Dunlop mesh, more oh, those weird Longchamps.
The XR whatever.
Yeah.
Something.
There's some 8.6 bumpers here, 11 stuff. The Bomex wing, which you saw us test fit on the S13, will also be for sale. We got tons of wheels, wood grain Momos. This is just a stack of Nardi Classics with silver spokes, Nardi Classics with black spokes, deep corns, bunch of wood grain Nardis. Yeah, personals, all kinds of steering wheels we'll have for sale. What else? There's a Sylvia hood over there. We got Sylvia corner markers, Redline 8.6 tail lights. Should we go upstairs really quick?
Yeah, one sec. Dude, these are the real. Where are they? Oh yeah, those are the real.
Yeah,
Real
those
fancy looking ones,
are
eh?
sick. Yeah, it's a pair of Mark IIs that are really clean. This pair of Mark IIs are really clean. 13s. Look at those tires, man. Those tires are so
Yeah, those
nice.
tires are really
You can't get 13-inch tires with that small of a sidewall here.
What size are these? These are 14s, right?
Those are 14s. There's some 5-bolt. Actually, I think those are 15s. There's some 5-bolt Mark 1s. There's a full set of 5-bolt Mark 1s.
What are those? Are 15s, eh? Those ones?
Yeah, there's 15-inch Mark 1s. There's 15-inch Formula mesh. There's 5-lug 14-inch Formula mesh over there, which are actually pretty good specs. Yeah, all the shit will be up on the website.
Yeah, you guys will see soon enough. They just get the banking going. I'll come over, take pictures of all the wheels, and then all the product. I mean, and then that's pretty much it.
Yeah, stay tuned. Oh, I think Ben's here. As you can see, Ben, we picked up a Japanese rear bumper from him. Look at how low pro this is, man. The USDM ones stick out to like here. So yeah, Ben's got the Japanese rear bumper on this. He's doing 11 front end swap because someone hit his front end. Oh, also these Longchamps will be for sale. But yeah, Ben's got the 11 front end swap coming along. Oh, check this out. Yeah. This is like a bundle of option magazines. So we'll have tons of, yeah, this whole box is just option magazines. So we'll have a ton of, like, option magazines, Drift Tengoku magazines, old option DVDs, old option VHS tapes, Drift Tengoku DVDs, all that shit. So yeah, there's gonna be a ton of cool stuff. Let's go upstairs really quick. Alright, so like in this box, like just a ton of option magazines, ton of option DVDs, hot version DVDs in here. We have all these brides for sale. That'll be up there. And then over here, yeah, see here we have, these are 2 stacks of Drift Tengoku and option magazines. These are all option DVDs. We have the roadside assistance flashing lights, which they always have in Japan instead of the flare. We'll have those for sale. These are all Broadway mirrors, 180SX tail garnish, some old school stickers. Yeah, so we have more Watts, Advan A3As, Mark 2s, Watts, Dunlop Le Mans, Hayashi Streets. Up here, here's a sneak preview. Should we show that?
180 seats.
Yeah, R32 GTR seats for the 180. We're going to clean them up, do a restoration on them. That'll be a video in the future. Oh, we got 2 Levin hoods up here. But yeah, look at all these seats, man. But yeah, so we have a ton of
I
shit
like that
coming.
Daytona bucket seat a lot.
Yeah. All this stuff will be up on the website once we sort everything out. So
Yeah,
just
again,
be patient.
Yeah, be patient. No point DMing us because, again, like we don't know any of the specs of the wheels. We have to go through everything still.
Mhm.
So yeah, just wait. It'll all be announced on Instagram. You're not gonna miss out. You'll know when it's dropped.
Yeah.
So yeah, hold the DMs for now.
Yeah. So we've gotten like probably 200 or 300 DMs.
You'll know when we know.
Yeah. You'll know. Yeah. We got still work to do. Again, we're going to the bank on Tuesday. Today's Sunday night. And that's when we'll be setting up everything. And then, yeah, we got to work on the website, get it up. Honestly, I could see it being up in a week or 2.
Yeah, well, I finished the website. Just needs pictures, so I need to just take
Yeah.
pictures and then it'll be good.
So give it a week or 2. Stuff will be up. And also, like, if you don't get a chance to buy something this drop, or there's not something for you this time around with this new business, we're going to be bringing in a container. We're going to try for like 1 every 3 months. So in a month, we'll probably start buying again for the next container. So don't worry if you don't get something this time or there's not something for you. It'll come.
Anyways, man, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah, like, share,
Sweet.
subscribe. Comment your favorite part. It can be any part. Like, it can be your favorite wheel.
Comment
Your
what you
favorite
no,
seat,
dude.
your
Comment
favorite
what you
steering wheel?
thought about this. We like. It was weird, man.
What?
There was like 30 seconds of fucking around this whole video.
Yeah, this was pretty serious. Well, okay, this video was pretty serious and short because we were really worried about the 180. We thought it was blown, so we just wanted to come out here really quick. It was really late at night and do a quick compression test.
There's way more backstory to why we thought the 180 was fucked. We'll touch
Yeah.
on it in the next video.
Yeah.
But
So, yeah, the thing doesn't run right, so we've been trying to figure that out, and that's why we thought it was blown. One thing led to us thinking it was blown. So, yeah, so that was really nervous. We were really nervous about that. That's why we quickly came out here. Short video. There'll be more videos for you real soon because we'll be obviously working on the 180. There's tons of shit to do on that.
any words, buddy?
We got strut tower bars there. For the 180.
We got a minute left on the SD card,
Oh,
man.
shit.
Wrap it up.
All right, like, comment, subscribe. Comment your favorite part, any part. It could be your favorite wheel, your favorite seat, your favorite steering wheel, your favorite shift knob. Oh, we also have like 5 Trust Grexes and a bunch of other impulse shift knobs and stuff. I don't know where Ben put them, but yeah, they're somewhere here. They'll be for sale.
10 seconds,
So yeah,
man.
comment your favorite part.
Like, share, subscribe.
skidoo.
Catch you later.